Hello everyone, how are you all? Guys, today we'll start our new topic, chemical digestion, right now. So, under chemical digestion, we will discuss about digestion of carbohydrate, digestion of protein, digestion of nucleic acid, digestion of fat, right now. But in this video, I will discuss about digestion of carbohydrate, right now. And in next video, digestion of protein. In next video, another video, digestion of nucleic acid. Because I want to make a small video, right now. Suppose that if you want to clear your concept digestion of carbohydrate or digestion of protein, so easily you can clear right now. So our topic is what, guys? Our topic is chemical digestion. Our topic is what, guys? Chemical digestion, right? Chemical digestion. So under chemical digestion, we'll discuss what, guys? We'll discuss about digestion of carbohydrates, digestion of carbohydrates, right now. Digestion of digestion of protein, digestion of fat, digestion of fat, and digestion of nucleic acid, digestion of nucleic acid. Clear, guys? So our topic is what, guys? Today only we will cover about the digestion of carbohydrates, right now. So our topic is what, guys? That is the digestion of carbohydrates. Digestion of carbohydrates. Guys, one more thing. Anyhow, what is the definition of digestion? Is a conversion of complex food particle into simple form, right now. Complex food particle will be break into simple form in the presence of enzyme. So guys, what is the complex form of carbohydrate, guys? The complex form of carbohydrate is what? This is called the polysaccharide. Complex form is what, guys? That is called the polysaccharide. So polysaccharide is a complex form of carbohydrate. So this polysaccharides in form of what, guys? In form of starch, right now. So this polysaccharide converted into what, guys? Converted into disaccharide, right now. Converted into disaccharides. Disaccharides, like you can say about the maltose, you can say about lactose, right? You can say about like sucrose. So these all are what, guys? All are the disaccharides are there. And finally this disaccharide will convert into what, guys? Monosaccharides. Monosaccharides. And monosaccharides are what, guys? Monosaccharides, you can say like glucose, right? Glucose. You can say about fructose, right? You can say about galactose, right? So this is what, guys? This is a monosaccharide. So polysaccharide converted into disaccharide, and the disaccharide converted into a monosaccharide. This is a sequence actually, right? The digestion of carbohydrate, because of the poly is a complex form, so must be convert disaccharide and then disaccharide to monosaccharide, right? So the carbohydrate digestion will start from where, guys? Mouth, right? Guys, here one important gland present, that this is called a salivary gland. This salivary gland secretes saliva. This salivary gland secretes saliva, and the saliva contain most important enzyme known as a salivary amylase. Known as a salivary amylase. This salivary amylase is also known as a what? It is also called ptyalin. It is also called ptyalin, and it will be work at pH 6.8. Clear? Okay. Now, so anyhow, this enzyme will act on starch, then starch will convert it into disaccharide. So what we can say here, guys, in mouth 30% starch hydrolysis occur. 30% starch hydrolysis occur. Clear? Okay. So we are getting starch in different form right now. So we are getting starch in form of, we can say like we can say gain starch right now, gain starch. We can say we are getting starch in form of milk, so we can say about the milk starch, right? We are getting starch from vegetables, so we can say vegetable and fruits starch, right now, fruit starch. Clear? So we are getting starch in different form, right? So guys, this gain starch, milk starch, as well as what guys, fruits and vegetable starch will convert into disaccharide right now. So guys, this gain starch will convert it into maltose, converted into maltose in the presence of enzyme known as a ptyalin or salivary amylase. This milk starch also convert what gas, also converted into what, that is called the lactose in the presence of what gas, ptyalin enzyme. And this fruit and vegetable starch converted into what gas, it converted into sucrose in the presence of what, ptyalin enzyme, means salivary amylase. So what is this guys? These are what? These are starch, and starch is what guys? Starch is a polysaccharide. And these maltose, lactose, and sucrose, they are what guys? They are a disaccharide. They are what guys? They are a disaccharides. So finally, what we converted here in the sense our mouth, in mouth 30% starch hydrolysis occur, and this salivary amylase convert in convert polysaccharide into disaccharide. Clear? Now what will be happen? Now after that, what will happen, that food enter into the stomach region, right? Now food enter into stomach region, but you know very well guys, in stomach region digestion of carbohydrate absent. Why absent? Because of what guys? Due to absence of what? Due to absence of the carbohydrate digestive enzyme. Carbohydrate digestive, carbohydrate digestive enzymes absent. So that's why what will happen guys, in stomach carbohydrate digestion will absent. Is that clear or not? Okay. Now digestion of carbohydrate occur in intestine, right? Intestine. You know guys, here the one important gland is present known as a intestinal gland, and this intestinal gland secrete what guys? It secrete the intestinal juice. What they secrete guys? Intestinal juice. Guys, this intestinal juice contain a number of enzymes. Right now, this intestinal juice contain a number of enzymes. So it contain what guys? It contain like maltase, right? It contain lactase. It contain it contains sucrase. It contain alpha dextrinase. Alpha dextrinase. Right now, okay. So these all enzymes secreted from where guys? Intestinal gland. Right now, okay. Now first, polysaccharide already converted into what? Disaccharide, means starch converted into maltose, lactose, and sucrose. What we said, starch converted into already maltose, lactose, right? As well as what guys? Sucrose. And also, if you can say, that is called the alpha dextrose. Right now, okay. Now here, this maltose converted into what gas? Two molecule of glucose. Two molecule of what gas? Glucose. So in intestine, this maltose converted into two molecule of glucose. Glucose and glucose in the presence of enzyme that is known as a what? This is called the maltase. Right now. Second is what? Lactose. Now, lactose converted into one molecule of glucose and one molecule of galactose in the presence of enzyme what gas? That is called lactase. That is called lactase. Now, sucrose. So, sucrose converted into one molecule of glucose and another molecule of fructose. Is that clear? In the presence of enzyme known as a sucrase. Known as a sucrase. And alpha dextrose converted into two molecule of glucose. Two molecule of glucose in the presence of enzyme known as a alpha dextrinase. Alpha dextrinase. Right now. So this is what, guys, this is a conversion of disaccharide into monosaccharide right now. So these all are what, guys, these all are disaccharides right now, and these are what, guys, monosaccharides are there. So what is the digestion of carbohydrate, guys? Mainly poly will be convert di and di will convert mono. So what happened here, guys? Here, in case of the mouth region, that is uh like you can say uh polysaccharide in complex form, like starch converted into what, guys, converted into the disaccharide will be there. But guys, not complete hydrolysis occur na, 30% hydrolysis occur, I said. So what happened, one another important gland is there, guys, and play very important role, known as a what, this is called the pancreas right now, pancreas. And you know, guys, what is the function of pancreas? So pancreas function is pancreas secreted pancreatic juice. Pancreas secreted pancreatic juice, and this pancreatic juice contain what? It contain the enzyme known as what, this is called the pancreatic lipase. Pancreatic lipase, as well as what, guys, pancreatic amylase. But we are discussing what, guys, we are discussing about of the carbohydrate digestion. So here we will talk about what, guys, pancreatic amylase. Otherwise, this pancreatic juice contain pancreatic lipase, pancreatic amylase, also contain what, guys, trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase right now. So amylase help in digestion of starch, lipase help in digestion of fat, and trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase help in digestion of protein. So here the remain is start digested by what, guys, amylase. So amylase will what, guys, due to presence of what, guys, amylase, this starch converted into what, converted into the maltose, as well as what, guys, lactose, as well as what, guys, that is called the sucrose. Is that clear or not? So what I said, 30% hydrolysis occur in mouth right now, starch will hydrolyze, and remains will be what, guys, that is a pancreatic amylase will convert starch into disaccharide will be there, like maltose in form of maltose, lactose, and sucrose. Then after that, what will happen? Remaining digestion occur in the intestine. So in intestine, intestinal gland is present, and intestinal gland secrete intestinal juice which contain maltase, lactase, sucrase, and alpha dextrinase enzyme, and that enzyme help in digestion of the remaining parts, in the sense disaccharide parts, into monosaccharide. So maltase converted into maltose into glucose and glucose, lactase convert lactose into glucose and galactose, sucrase convert one molecule of glucose and another molecule of fructose will be there. So this is what, guys, this is a digestion of carbohydrate. In next video, guys, we'll discuss about the digestion of protein. So have a nice day, guys. We will meet in next video.